Use Tracker's change management template to track requests through approval and implementation. In Tracker's out-of-the-box workflow, newly added requests are assigned to the change board for approval. Approved requests are assigned to a resource for implementation, then are tested and released. To start the process, a user logs into Tracker. The home page is displayed. The icons available in the toolbar are determined by user group membership. The user can click Add to submit a request. Much of what is displayed on the Add page is customizable. The color scheme, the text at the top can be customized to provide instructions. You can choose which fields are displayed, what kinds of fields they are, for example, date fields, text fields, pull-downs, among others. The field labels can be customized. You can also specify whether some fields are required on the form and are displayed in a different color, bold, or with a special character. The pull-down menu items are also configurable. After saving the request number is displayed so the reporter can track the status. The request is also on the reporter's homepage for easy tracking. Another way to allow users to report change requests is via the Submit page for unregistered users. This page allows users to submit requests without having to log into Tracker. The page can be configured with your company logo and color scheme to match the look and feel of your website. The reporter can receive email notification messages as the request is processed. In addition, requests can be reported via email. Tracker can be configured to check a mailbox for incoming messages and convert them into requests and include attachments that came with the message. Requests are assigned to the change board for review. Each member of the change board can see these requests on their homepage and process them. Users are prompted with the choices that correspond to the request's current state in the workflow. In this case, the request can be approved, rejected, or closed. Users are also prompted to fill out the fields that correspond to the choice selected. Instructions about how to fill in the fields can be customized. The fields presented can be read-only, optional, or required, and can be initialized with specific values. If you try to complete the operation without filling in a required field, the system will prompt you to enter a value. Requests are automatically routed to the appropriate state and assignee. An audit trail which reflects all actions performed on a request is automatically maintained. Tracker automatically notifies the users that need to act on a request based on email rules you can customize. You can set which rules will trigger an email, such as adding or editing requests or a change of status or assignment. You can also set which users and/or groups will receive the messages, as well as customize the content included in the subject and body of the email message. Alerts, part of Enterprise Edition, are email notifications that can be sent based on a lack of change of status. Alerts can be based on a date field, for example, 4 hours after the request was submitted, or can be set for a specific date and time, for example, if the request status has not been changed as of a week from now. The discussion feature, also part of Enterprise Edition, allows threads to be created for change requests. You can invite users to participate in the discussion. Users can collaborate on requests without the need for meetings that require everyone to be in the same place at the same time. As a result, there is better knowledge sharing, easier reuse of best practices, and faster and more effective problem solving. Tracker provides a per-user homepage. When a user logs in, he is presented with a summary of issues assigned to him or other important reports. Each user can choose which reports will be displayed when they log in. Tracker provides up-to-the-minute project information via reports to team members, project leaders, and managers everywhere to foster better communication. The out-of-the-box reports can be modified, or you can create your own. Create charts and graphs to see trends and save them for convenient access. On the query page, you can do a keyword search using different search methods, including Boolean operators, to create complex queries, and define report criteria based on the value of any field, and build reports for personal use or for use by particular user groups. Reports can also be exported. In addition, you can search within a set of query results to further narrow down the data. You can also filter fields to show a specific range of values. Multiple projects, forms, and workflows can be configured. You decide which users can access each project, as well as which forms and workflows will be used in the project. You can also configure requests to be automatically assigned based on a certain field. Tracker workflows can be customized to reflect your organization's processes. You can define the states, transitions, and email rules. Transitions include options for new state, new assignee, and the fields that need to be filled out by a user at a particular point in the process. Users log in with a user ID and password. Tracker can be integrated with Active Directory and is compatible with standard web security such as SSL. Access to the pages can be restricted to specific locations based on IP address. Customizable password policies add another level of security. User groups can be set up with different permissions, which determine a user's access to features, functions, fields, and records. Users can belong to one or more user groups and inherit capabilities from these groups. Request a trial of NetResults Tracker now.